Hi, we are going to walk through how to quickly and easily make a handbook update. So we are going to make an update to the learning and development page. You can make an update to any handbook page in this way. So you can go to this page and be reading on any one of these pages or any one of these pages or a page that one of these pages links to and edit it in this same way. So I'll go back to the L&D page and we're just going to make a small update on this page. So what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and down here at the very, very bottom, it will say edit this page. So you're going to click on that. And once you're here, it will show you like where the file is stored basically on gitlab.com. So it will, again, show you kind of an outline of what the page looks like. And you'll need to click this edit button right here. It's blue. And then one helpful tip that I found is to click this Softwrap button. It's really helpful to put all the text on one page. So I'll turn it off. You can see it. You have to scroll over to see this line of text or paragraph of text. If you put it like this, it puts it more in like a paragraph view so you can see all of the text in one window. So that is helpful to do. And then let's see, we're going to make just a small update right here. So we just updated a few words. And I think that's all we're going to update in this merge request. So like if you see a typo or something, you can click that edit this page button and just update it this way. So for the commit message, you can just put update so just kind of a brief summary of what you did. And then for the target branch, it'll be similar to your commit message, but instead of spaces between the words, you'll put dashes, and it won't let you move forward if you don't have dashes. So just keep that in mind. So I'll just put update certification info for that. And here, I'll show you what it looks like if you have spaces. So it will still have this button here, but if you click on it, it will say something went wrong. It says branch name is invalid, and that's because it doesn't have the dashes. So I'll go back and put those in. And then this box will already be checked. Just leave it checked because you do want to create a merge request. And when you are creating a merge request, you aren't changing the handbook right away with your merge request. It's a request to change something in the handbook. So you don't have to worry about breaking something by just creating a merge request. So that's important to know. So you'll hit commit changes and it'll pop up with this page. The title will be whatever you had put in the commit message on the previous page. And then in the description, you can update this. There are a few questions to answer. So why is this change being made? I'm the DRI, and I added a description. So for assigning to DRI, I am the DRI for this, so I'll go ahead and just assign it to me, but you can assign it to anyone at GitLab that you want. And let's see, doesn't have a milestone or a label. And then this will be automatically selected. Just leave it selected so that the source branch is deleted when the merge request goes through. And yeah, we'll go ahead and submit the merge request. So, okay, so this is what it will look like, and the pipeline says it's pending right now. Okay, so now it's running. So you can see this little blue diagram thing, and you should be good to go. So here you can go through and see the commits that you made. And then here's the changes tab, which can be important if you can't remember exactly what updates you made. You can go to this changes tab and look here. And if you notice in your update you made a typo or something like that, you can click on this little edit file button here and go in, and or if you're like, oh, I remember I wanted to change a different part of the page too, you can do that as well. So you just go in here. I don't have another change I want to make, so I'm not going to make another change right now, but you could just, again, update this with a brief message on what you did. So if you're like, updated the learning management system section, and then you don't have to update this target branch, just leave it the same, and then you would hit commit changes. And let's see. Okay, so when I went out of it, it actually went to the page. So this is a good way to show you how to find your merge request once you have maybe exit out of the browser or something like that. So what you can do is, since you made the merge request, you should be able to go to this merge request little button up here in the top right and click on that. And this one is assigned to me, so it's easy to find this way, but you can change this to, because if you assign it to someone else to merge, if you don't have merge powers, you can go to author is, and then yourself, and it will search and come up with those that you're an author of. Oh, I need to hit enter, I think, so it will search. Yeah, so here it is again. You can click on it, and it will again take you back to the merge request. And if you were to make another change when we hit the edit button, there would be another commit here in this list, and there would be another pipeline. So that is how you make a merge request. As far as assignee, if you, the recommendation is to assign it to your manager. They should have merge powers, but if they don't, it will pop up with a, let me see if I can think of someone who doesn't have merge powers. So if you want to unassign it, you unclick someone, and then okay, see, so these people don't have merge powers because they have a little triangle with an exclamation point in it, and it also says cannot merge. So just keep that in mind when you're assigning it to someone to merge. And yeah, if you do assign it to them, maybe your manager wants to review it before it's merged. That's fine. You can assign it to them even if they don't have merge powers, and then you can reassign it to someone else later. So that is how you create a merge request on GitLab.